So the third item in how to get a divorce without breaking the bank would be to know your finances. You know, whatever you can do to save time that your attorney's not spending on it saves you money. So, you should have an idea of what your retirement account's worth. And it's very simple. Call your plan advisor. If you don't know who it is, call your work and say, who is my plan administrator? Call them, ask them what type of plan it is, because that's important. And then find out what your current balance is. That's a pretty simple thing to do that saves an attorney money and time. Also know, all your different accounts that you have. Go to Kelley Blue Book, which is kbb.com. Look up your car's value. Write that down. That saves a little bit of time too. It's just all these little bitty things that you can do. Obviously knowing your checking and savings. If you have stocks, knowing what your balance is on those, what you paid for, and what the current market value of those is. Also, you want to go get a Credit Karma report. They're free, and it will show you all your accounts. And if you're unsure of, sometimes you have relationships where you're a little more independent, and you're not entirely sure what the other person may have. Both agree to go do a Credit Karma report and share it with one another. Before you file or shortly after you filed. You were married at one time. There's got to be a little bit of glimmer in there, but maybe not. But if you can agree on that, that'll save both of you time and money too. Because if you exchange the Credit Karma reports, then it's going to show all the accounts that are in either individual's name. If you both agree on everything and everything's fine, and you go and do the Credit Karma, even if it's in a dissolution, it will help you to remember, because there's a lot of accounts that some people have that they don't even remember that they had. They may be open, but there's no balance. So it's a good way to know exactly what your finances are before you talk to your attorney, or shortly thereafter, and that will save you time and money.